Labels are a great way to organize your home. But what if you don't have a label maker? No problem. Let's look at 4 different kinds of labels you can use that you might already have at home. If you're new here, my name is Jillian, and I like to share different ways you can simplify your home so that you can enjoy a calm and clutter-free environment. I love beautiful labels that have a beautiful font, but I don't have a label maker. So let's talk about ways you can label things around your home while using what you have on hand at home. Labeling things around your house has a big impact on making your home functional and helps everyone in the family find items and, more importantly, put things back in their place when it's time to clean up. I want to share 4 easy label options you can use, and I'll bet that most of you have 3 out of 4 of these in your home right now. If you've done some painting in your home, I'm going to guess you have some painter's tape lying around. Not only is it great for making a nice, crisp, straight paint line, it's also great to label bins with. We currently have painter's tape labels on our file boxes for household files and yearly taxes. Just grab a Sharpie marker and write on your label. Painter's tape is awesome because it doesn't leave a sticky residue and can easily be replaced or changed. Mailing labels are great for envelopes, but also another great way to label things in your home. We currently have them on our bins in our mudroom that hold our clean masks and dirty masks. I also stuck one of these labels on our donation basket so everyone in the family knows where to put items that need to be donated. Post-it notes are awesome for jotting down reminders or making small to-do lists. They can also be a great way to label bins in your basement. We've used Post-it notes to label a bunch of bins in our storage room. It feels so good knowing exactly what's in each bin, and it makes it so much easier to find items. Chris and I both have an extra clothing bin in the basement with off-season clothes. We also store our beach towels and bathing suits downstairs in the wintertime, and a bunch of sporting equipment. It's so great to be able to easily locate your skates or soccer shin pads in seconds. The next kind of labels are a little fancier and super fun. They're chalkboard sticker labels. You can get wipeable white chalkboard markers or even Sharpie water-based white markers that will work really well on black chalkboard labels. We've used these in our kids' closets to label their clothing bins. For young kids, you can draw pictures and write the words as well. We also use these in our pantry to label bins that hold items like baking ingredients, grains, and pasta, to name a few. In our laundry room cupboards, these labels have helped to organize things like my and Chris's bin that holds seasonal items like hats, mitts, and sunglasses. You can easily label bins for household items and cleaning cloths. You can usually find these labels at any local craft store. There you have it. 4 simple ways you can easily label bins or boxes around your home to keep things nice and organized so that everyone in your house can do their part to keep things nice and tidy. I'm curious, which one of these 4 items do you have in your home right now that you can use to label things for easier organization? Thanks so much for watching. If you haven't yet, click that subscribe button to be notified when I posted a new video, which will be Wednesdays, by the way. All right, I'll see you in the next video.